AI song and music maker. So first, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store or your App Store, now you need to go with search. And here, you need to search for AI song and music maker. And here you will have the application, which is the Donna AI song and music maker. So it's absolutely free. You can just simply go with install and it will start the installing process. Now, if you want to know more about the application or if you want a quick review or overview, then you just need to simply go with about this app, go with the arrow, which is on the right side. Now here you will have the information about the application. So it's innovative AI music creation application. You can describe the vibe you're going for and let the application handle the rest. For composing to producing, experience the magic of having an AI powered music studio in your pocket. You can scroll down and you will also have a lot of app info like the version, updated, downloads, and download size, and required OS and everything. So you just need simply go with the screenshots tool. And here, as you can see, that it is #1 AI music maker. It has curate sounds, explore new ones, and you can set your mood. You can also go with the video, and that's all about AI song and music maker. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.